Elliott from the Curtain and Blind Company here. In this short video, I'm going to talk to you about smart privacy Venetian blinds. There are some key differences to the smart privacy Venetian that you wouldn't get with a springwood or a basswood. Now, while they look the same, there are three key benefits. The first one, there's a trapezoid bottom rail that sits flush with the sill, so it eliminates any light coming through the bottom. We have slats that finish at the same edge as the head box, which eliminates any light coming through the sides. And if you want to come in close, the best part about this product is where a regular Venetian blind would probably finish about here when you close them, with a little extra pull, all the slats really tighten up and give you a great extra level of privacy. And that's our smart privacy Venetian blinds. If you have any other questions or want to know more, please give us a call.